Good morning, this is Miss Galt. Today what we're doing in bridge class is we are going to solve a bunch of word problems, and I'll do one with you, and then I have 3 for you to try. So this is the model that I like using for word problems, and I have on my sheet, I have the model written for you so that you can use it too. On your test, you can absolutely write this model down for yourself, and I would recommend that you do that. So I'm going to read the word problem first. The Edina Pops concert has special prices for seniors and children. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 3 senior citizen tickets and 1 child ticket for a total of $38. The school took in $52 on the second day by selling 3 senior citizen tickets and 2 child tickets. Find the price of a senior citizen ticket and the price of a child ticket. So the first thing I like to do with this model is write down what I'm trying to find. They told me I was trying to find the price of a senior citizen ticket and the price of a child ticket. So that's why I wrote that in the middle. That's what I'm trying to find out. And then I have this upper left-hand box for writing down what my variables are. So I'm going to choose to make X be the senior citizen price. And I'm going to make Y be the child price. Then they gave me 2 days information. So the first day, on the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 3 senior citizen tickets and 1 child ticket for a total of $38. So I'm going to write that equation down. So that would be 3 senior citizens. So 3 times the price of a senior citizen ticket plus the price of a child ticket makes $38. Now I'm going to look at the second day. The school took in $52 on the second day by selling 3 senior citizen tickets and 2 child tickets. So we have 3x plus 2y equals 52. Now I'm going to solve that system, and that's what this box is for. So I'm going to write down my system, my 2 equations, and this one to me looks really set up for elimination. I don't know where I'm going to write it. I wish that those words weren't there. 3x plus y equals 38, and 3x plus 2y equals 52, and I am going to multiply this equation by -1 so that my x's go away. You could also solve this system of equations by substitution if you're more comfortable with that, but I'm going to choose elimination. So when I do that multiplication, I get -3x minus y equals -38. And I'm actually going to write the other one on top because I prefer subtracting that way. And now when I add them together, the x's eliminate. That's why it's called elimination. And then I have 2y minus y. It might be helpful to put a 1 here to remind yourself that that's 2 minus 1y. So that would be 1y. And then 52 minus 38 would be, is that 14? So I already know that the child price is $14. So I know one of the answers. And now I can figure out the senior price using either of the 2 equations. I'm going to use the first day equation because the numbers are a little bit smaller. So I'm going to say 3x plus 14 equals 38. And now I have my railroad tracks. I'm going to subtract 14. So 3x equals 24. Divide by 3. So x equals 8. So now I know the price of a senior ticket as well. All right, so this model helps break down the word problem and make it less intimidating, I think, and also just kind of I like the variable box over here so that I can always just glance over there. What did I just find out when I found out that y equals 14? Oh, I found the price of a child. So we're giving you practice today so you can use that model. If you have questions, please ask them. And your job today is to turn in the other 3 problems, and you can do that as a photograph of your work on Schoology. Thanks so much. Bye.